Hey everybody out there on YouTube, this is Craig from Craig Media Productions. So we're down in the Bradenton, Clearwater area of Florida right now. Just kind of a little family vacation. Left my A6300 at home, and I brought just what you're seeing me on right now, which is GoPro Hero7 Black, and of course my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And I said to myself, will these two things, DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the GoPro Hero7 Black, can you make a cinematic travel video out of just those two things? Well, you tell me.
If I get lost, I'm not gonna run. I'm just gonna take it all in. I made a promise to take it as it comes. For all the times I never did. Back roads turn gold, inviting the sun to rest. Think I'll pull over just to see how bad it gets. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, open your eyes, over and over again. Open your memories go, and just like that, another one comes rushing in. I keep reflecting, but if I try to get them back, I don't know what I'll be missing. Midnight, I'm just a passenger under the stars. No lights for miles, finding my way through the dark. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes, over and over again. Open your over and over again. Eyes, open your eyes, over again. Eyes, open your eyes, over again.
So how did I do? Give me a like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Pretty new to getting my face in front of the camera, so this is gonna be an adjustment period. And sorry about the wind noise on here too. I mean, I really did only bring the Hero7 Black, no cameras, no microphones, no anything else. So anyway, subscribe if you aren't. See you soon.